we are going to talk about how to register as an affiliate. Now, when we talk about register as an affiliate, first question comes, what is an affiliate? Affiliate is a partner with us who can earn while referring our LearnByChapter courses to teachers, students and schools. And when they share this information to the references, to the referral, they earn 15% of the course value as an earning. So you become a partner of 15% to LearnByChapter on whatever sales you are making through an affiliate program. So when we register, we just click on register as an affiliate. Now there is one important thing. If you have already registered on this site before, then this will come as duplicate. So what you have to do is you have to sign in first. If you have already registered to the website, you have to sign in. And if you have not registered to the website, then you have to fill up this form. So if this email address is registered, then you have to put sign in. If this then you have to use sign in and then come to this form, or otherwise you can fill up this form directly. Username has to be filled, account email has to be filled. Now this payment email is an email address of PayPal where the payments are going to be automatically sent. So after 30 days of receiving any commission, that is 15% on first level, and if your affiliate makes a second affiliate, or he also becomes your reference becomes an affiliate, then you will still get 10% discount or 10% commission on the sales made through your affiliate, through your references. So if you send somebody a reference to purchase, they purchase, you get 15%. If that person also becomes an affiliate, still you're going to get 10% on whatever sales are being made by them. So in this case, I'm going to be signing in through this account and I log in. After I log in, I will click on affiliate program and register myself as an affiliate over here. So my name is automatically going to come over here. My payment email I have to enter. Here I have to mention how you will promote her. Through WhatsApp, through email, through friends, through teachers, through students. So a teacher or a student either can become an affiliate to earn, or through whatever medium, maybe social media. So you have to mention it over here, because once you click on the register, the mail is going to come to us for approval, and we have to approve this email for you to become an affiliate. So as soon as I say register, you will see your account, your affiliate account is pending approval. So our email has already been sent to us for approval. So we will see that whether you are ready to be approved or not. In this video, we are going to talk about how to register as an affiliate. So to register as an affiliate,